Why don't seniors use normal stools? Because they prefer step stools, they just can't resist a little bit of uplifting support. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on step stool for seniors. Tip 1. Choose a stool with a non-slip surface. As seniors tend to have less balance and grip, it is important to pick a step stool with a non-slip surface. This helps to ensure that the person does not slip or fall when climbing on it. A stool with a rubberized or a textured surface will enhance the safety aspect and give them the much-needed confidence while using it. Tip 2. Adjustable height is crucial. Seniors may have challenges reaching high places or even getting up from low areas. As such, getting a step stool with adjustable height features can prove helpful. This way, they can adjust the height of the stool to the level that suits them best. Tip 3. Consider a stool with handles or rails. Balance can be a concern for seniors. Having handles or safety rails on the step stool can provide additional support while stepping up or down from it. These rails act as a solid support system for they can hold onto, thereby reducing the risk of falls. Tip 4. Choose a stool with wide steps. Choosing a step stool with wide steps can provide a larger surface area for the seniors to step on, thus reducing the chance of falling or slipping off the stool. The wider the step area, the more stability it can provide. Tip 5. Opt for lightweight stools. Seniors may need to move the stool from one place to another. Therefore, it is advisable to choose a lightweight stool that seniors can easily relocate as required without straining themselves. Tip 6. Check the maximum weight capacity. It is critical to check the maximum weight capacity of the stool before purchasing. Ensure the stool can safely accommodate the user's weight to prevent any potential accidents that might result from a collapse. Tip 7. Choose a stool with easy assembly. Some step stools require assembly. If this is the case, choose one that has clear and easy to understand instructions and doesn't require any additional tools to put together. Making the assembly process as easy as possible ensures that seniors can do it on their own without stress. Tip 8. Look for stability features. In addition to wide steps and handles, stability features such as non-slip feet or a locking mechanism can also be beneficial for seniors. These will provide a stable base for the stool, reducing the chances of it tipping over. Tip 9. Prioritize high-quality material. When choosing a step stool, prioritize one made from high-quality, durable materials. Stools made from robust materials will ensure longevity and safety, offering the user peace of mind. Tip 10. Look for additional comfort features. If the senior will be using the stool for long periods, consider looking for additional comfort features, such as padded steps. This can make the user's experience more comfortable and encourage regular use. Tip 11. Consider the price. While you should not compromise safety and durability for the price, it is important to choose a step stool that falls within your budget. There are various safe and reliable step stools available in all price ranges, so do some research to find the best one for your needs.